Hello everyone. Welcome to question 9 of the topic The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. The question is, how did the Treaty of Vienna change the map of Europe? There was a Treaty of Vienna that was signed and it divided Europe amongst the victors who had defeated Napoleon. The question is, how did it change Europe? What did it do? This was asked in the board exam of 2012. You have to give any 6 points. Each point will cover half marks and the total is 3 marks. This was as per the marking scheme. So it's a short answer question of 3 marks. The answer is, in 1815, representatives of the European powers, that is Britain, Russia, Prussia and Australia, these were the victors who had defeated Napoleon, met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. The Congress, that is the meeting, was hosted by Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. The delegates drew up the Treaty of Vienna of 1815 with the object of undoing most of the changes initiated by Napoleon. The main intention was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative world order. So the first point is, the Bourbon dynasty of France, which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power. France lost territories that it had gained under Napoleon. That means it had captured under Napoleon. That's what they lost. A series of states were set up in the boundaries of France to prevent future expansion. So these were like buffer states. Now, which were the buffer states? The Kingdom of Netherlands, which included Belgium, was set up in the north, and Genoa was added to Piedmont in the south, that is towards Italy. Prussia was given important new territories on the western frontier of France. Prussia was also given part of Saxony. Austria was given control of northern Italy. The German Confederation of 39 states that had been set up by Napoleon was left untouched. That means German states remain as they are. And Russia was given part of Poland. So you have to give any 6 points and each point covers half mark, total being 3 points. Let me just summarize the points. In 1815, the victors, the European powers, Britain, Russia, Austria, Prussia, met at Vienna. The meeting was led by Chancellor Duke Metternich. They wanted to divide Europe and undo the changes made by Napoleon. The first step is they put back the Bourbon dynasty, which had been thrown out of power during the French Revolution. Second part is France lost all the territories that it had gained under Napoleon. Around France, they made buffer states or states that prevented the future annexation by France. So the states were the Kingdom of Netherlands, Genoa was added to Piedmont, Prussia was given new territories, Prussia was also given Saxony, Austria was given control of northern Italy, German states were left as they are, and Russia was given part of Poland. So this was the answer to question 9. You can find the answer at page 10 or 11 of the NCERT. I will see you in question 10.